The Bill Gates Foundation has dedicated $2.5 billion US starting from August 4th of this year to 2030 to developing women reproductive and health related vaccines and drugs, particularly for women in low and middle income countries, which actually mean women in Africa and all the way in India. On their official website, it is stated that their innovations will go to 5 critical and chronically underfunded areas. And those areas have been listed as gynecological and menstrual health, obstetric care, contraceptive innovation, sexually transmitted infections solutions, and maternal health solutions. And they chose Kenya as the place they want to operate from. Now, from last year, when they settled in Kenya, they immediately made a request to the Kenyan government for a bunch of privileges and immunities for while they operate and experiment in Kenya. Ladies and gentlemen, the Kenyan government, President William Ruto, accepted those requests and gazetted those special privileges and immunities as requested. And guess what those privileges and immunities included? Ladies and gentlemen, this will blow your mind. It included immunity from legal actions against them and their staff. Illegal actions against their staff in respect of things done or omitted to be done in the course of the performance of the official duties. Listen to it again if you didn't catch it the first time, folks. The Gates Foundation settled in Kenya. And while they operate this so-called benevolent agenda in Kenya, they have demanded that their foreign staffs, their foreign workers working in the organization should be granted immunity from being prosecuted in court for things they may do or forget to do while they perform their duty in producing these so-called women health medicines in Kenya. Think about it critically as a normal human being, ladies and gentlemen. When a foreigner comes to your country to sort of want to help you, but in the process of their saying they want to help you, they don't want you to bring them to court for whatever action they may do or may not do, even if it results in the loss of lives. And every day I understand the more reason the Kenyan youth wanted to remove the President Ruto, from office.